So we've all been there. You're just about to submit your venue-specific risk assessment documents, only to find inconsistencies. The event-wide risk assessment has emergency contact details that don't match your emergency preparedness plan, and you haven't even checked the contractor risk assessments yet. You lie awake at night hoping nothing goes wrong on the day, quietly doubting whether your safety documents would stand up to scrutiny when even basic data is entered incorrectly. That's not a problem with SafetyDocs. Simply enter all your event details, contact names, mobile numbers, emails, even policy references once into your master data sheet. Every connected document updates instantly. Need to make a change on the day? No problem. Your updates are synced across every device in real time. No more sleepless nights. No more inconsistencies. No more manual fixes at the last minute. Your team is informed, your plans are watertight, and your compliance rock solid. SafetyDocs. Create. Sync. Share. Comply.